What's up, everybody? Welcome to the vlog one more time. Like I told you guys in the previous video, you guys are gonna see me again with the same outfit pretty much because I was making ending one video and starting the next one. But today we're actually gonna work on the TSX. We're gonna fix one of the major issues, well, temporary fix one of the major issues that we have on it, and also we're gonna paint the valve cover because it looks ugly as hell. While I do my valve cover, I'm actually gonna do Rental's valve cover as well, and finish up Christian's TSX with his clutch and all that issue. But today, I bought a piece of sheet metal somewhere around there that I'm gonna cut out and cover the big ass hole from my hood exit that it just looks terrible. We're gonna cover it up because I get 1,000 comments from people telling me, oh, your hood exit kills your car. I know it kills my car. That's why I'm going with a full exhaust. And it already fucking stained my paint. I hope that when I wet sand and buff it comes out. But we're gonna use that piece of shit metal, cut it around the hood exit, make 2 holes for the hood exit, rivet that on, and then we're also gonna try to cover the 2 latch holes that I made in the front. Well, that I fucked up in the front. We're gonna hopefully cover that shit, and like I said, paint the valve cover. My valve cover right now is red, but we're actually gonna paint it white to match with the wheels and all that other stuff on the car. And my valve cover is going white, Rental's valve cover is going red, and I think we might be doing Christian's valve cover as well. But they're gonna finish up in there while I start working on my car and start taking it apart. Start off by taking off the lines off the catch can, because that's one of the things that makes this look as ugly as it does. All the walls and all that stuff is on it. Woo. I need to change as well. I have my Holiday oil cap on it, but it doesn't match. I'm actually, if I paint this white, I might be doing the valve cover dress up kit from Angel in black that he has, because now that I actually look inside my engine bay, it does match. So, I might just call him right now and ask him for that. I was gonna give Angel Bill a call. Let's see the response I get from him. Every time I call him, he always bitches at me as for different things.
Hi, Emilio.
Yo.
Hi.
Hey, can you tell your brother that if he can send me the black valve cover kit that he got for my car?
The what?
The black valve cover kit that he has for my car. Yeah, is my brother-in-law still there? Huh?
Oh, your brother-in-law left. He's been there.
Fuck. Oh, man. Alright. You think? Ask Angel if he's gonna pass around this area when he leaves.
Yeah, what?
Ask him if he's gonna pass through this area when he leaves.
Yo, he said he's gonna pass by. What's valve covers?
Not the valve cover dress-up kit, the black ones that he has.
The black
The dress-up kit.
It depends what time he leaves because we got work, bro.
That's fine, just whenever he leaves. Yeah, I'll tell him I'll meet up with him.
Alright.
Alright, bro. Thank you.
For now, check on fuck yourself, bitch.
Hey. Top and down, that's fine that he's gonna be in the YouTube video.
Tell me. Fuck you.
Well, like I told you guys, I get a different response from them every time I call them. I bugged them so much that they just bitch at me now for everything. But he has a black dress-up kit for this. That since I'm painting my car white, I guess a match with the car. But yeah, let me go ahead and take this off, and then I'll call you guys back. Not call you guys back, but I'll get back with you guys. I just finished up taking off the valve cover. We got these guys over here. Look at this subframe right there. They're actually taking out the mounts and stuff for the tranny. Well, I finished with my little stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down, wash it up, clean it up as best as I can, prep it. Maybe primer, I don't know yet, but the paint says it doesn't need primer, so I don't know if I'm primer it or not. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash it up and then I'll catch back with you guys. What I'm doing right now is taking a little brush that I have here, trying to take off. I got the soft bristle and then I got the brass. Trying to take off as much of the grime and dirt and stuff that's on it, just so I can have at least a nice, decently clean look when it's all done. I think I might have to sand it down a little bit in some spots. So go ahead and like clean up the chips part. I'm getting soaked over here. There's some spots you're still gonna see on this valve cover. This is not my final valve cover, but like I said, little by little this car is gonna be coming together how I want it to be. It is gonna be 100% a show car, so all you guys asking me when am I gonna track the car, I'm not tracking the car. If I run it once on the track, it's probably to see how fast it'll go, what time it'll run. So I'm not worried about tracking, none of that good stuff. I'm worried more about my car making it to shows, getting the vibes and all that good stuff that I want with the car. It's not that I don't like what I have now, but you know, more is better sometimes. Sometimes more tickets is not better than something. Less tickets. Alright, so I cleaned up as best as I could with this. We'll go ahead and dry it up and sand it down a little bit, then come back and wet it again. Alright, so I went ahead and primered up the valve cover. Alright, so I went ahead and primered up the valve cover. I'm only gonna have this area right here is gonna be ugly, but since I said it's not my permanent valve cover, it's fine for now. Cleaned it up as much as I could, primered it up with this Rust-Oleum high heat primer. Now I'm gonna use the Krylon white gloss. Spray this whole entire thing, see how it comes out. First coat, show you guys, and I'll show you second and third. And if I need a fourth, I'll throw a fourth on to keep it more sturdy. I'm gonna show you guys that, but I'm gonna spray it first, and I'll catch you guys back. Alright, so I just finished up with the valve cover. It looks pretty good. Like I said, this shit right here is the only thing that's gonna bother me. But since it's temporary, fuck it. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down, put the sealant on it, the gasket maker, and put it on the motor. Alright, so I just got done putting on the valve cover. Guys, this is my new little shit. I'm the new delivery dude, guys. Shit matches perfectly with the car. But just got done putting on the valve cover. It actually looks really good. It gives it a good little contrast in the engine bay to match the wheels. Look at that. It gives it a nice little contrast with the wheels. Came out pretty good. And then I fucked it up right here. Putting it on, I fucked it up right there. But we're waiting up on Angel to bring me the black valve cover kit for it. I'll meet up with him later. But we're almost done with Christian TSX. We actually just got done putting the clutch in. And we're gonna go ahead and put the tranny on in a little bit.
Mínimo las horas mías se dice clímpense de aquí.
¡Te quemaste!
Ven, 10 gente va a montar una mierda de clutch.
Yeah, but that made me get a fucking cramp.
Este está yendo a UTI para nada.
This right here.
Yeah. Es el condón de la línea de freno.
UTI certified.
Para allá lo que se vaya a poner perico. Parece, mucha. No, a fumar cigarrillos.
Alright, yeah. So we're gonna finish up with that TSX, and I'll finish up with my shit once we put the tranny in. I'll let them start putting everything back together while I make the plates for the exhaust and the hood latches. If I don't get time to do that, then oh well, I'll probably do that tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm actually going to my dad's house, so I'm trying to hopefully get everything done today. Alright guys, so today's another day. Yesterday we decided to go ahead and bang out the Christian TSX. We finished at 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock in the morning. After we had finished everything, assembled everything, we turned the car, we're gonna move the car, it doesn't turn. The slip linkage in the steering wheel slipped out when we dropped the subframe, and we didn't notice it, so when we put everything back in, the wheel would just spin, 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 spin. I'll probably post a video here of the video of that, because it was funny, we were dying off that. But we had to put the car back on the lift, take everything apart, drop the subframe again, slip the slip linkage in, and then bolt everything back up together. By the time we were done, it was, when we finished the first time, it was around like 2 something in the morning. Then when we finished the second time, it was already 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. We were beat the fuck up. And I woke up now, well, I woke up like an hour ago, it's 1:40 right now. And I woke up like around like 12:30 around there. And decided to take a shower, relax the whole morning. And now I'm back out. Yesterday I did take a short break in between when we were doing the clutch, and instead of just sitting, I decided to go ahead and make a template for the hood exhaust, which still pisses me off. I swear to God, guys, I'm gonna swap that hood and go with a fucking carbon fiber. I'm gonna swap my trunk for a carbon fiber trunk with the little duck wheel that comes with it. That's my next goal. After I put my seats and stuff like that, I think I'm gonna go for that. The hood's like $800 and the trunk's like another $800, $900. But yeah, I made a little template for it, and it didn't come out too bad. It's just I don't have something to make the holes for the exhaust perfectly round. But you can't really tell, and I'm gonna actually paint it, and we're gonna go to Harbor Freight and go pick another rivet gun because I had one, I don't know where the fuck it's at. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It's alright. It's not, I'm not gonna say it's something out of this world, but it does a job to cover what's fucked up on my car because my paint is just black right now, and I don't like it. I'm gonna paint the aluminum plate black. I didn't get to do the 2 ones for the hood in the front for the latches. Probably do that on later on, but you guys did see I did the valve cover. Valve cover came out great. I'm gonna show you guys the plate that I made, and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit more after we paint and all that. Alright, so right here we got the plate. You guys can see, you can tell the holes, they're not perfectly round, but they do the job. So I made it, I already drilled out the holes on this, and I'm gonna put this, there's gonna be a lot of rivets on it, and then all the holes are on here. But pretty much, it's gonna sit like this. And it's not gonna look that bad. I personally, I haven't seen it from far away, but I don't think it's gonna look that bad. I made it so it could look decent, and when I paint it and stuff, you won't really tell that much. But we're gonna go ahead and go buy a rivet gun to get this riveted on. Let me see, let me match the holes perfectly. Right there, a little bit more down, right there. It's gonna sit pretty much right there, which is, it has the same cutout as the curve on the hood, has the seam right here, and I curved out the edges so it could look a little bit better. But I'll show you guys a quick little shoot from it from the top. So there you guys can see it. It's not perfect, but it does the job, which is the important part. Let's see if you get how it looks from far away. Far away it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It covers up that big black spot that I have on the hood. Let me see if you guys can see it. I take this off. Look at that, burnt spot. So once we put the plate on, it covers my ugly ass cutout that I made, and covers up all the black spot on it. All right, so I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight real quick and pick up a rivet gun, and I think I have the pig here. I might just spray this before I leave, so that while I come back, it dries up and shit like that. All right, so I went ahead and sprayed this with 1 light coat of the black high temperature paint that I had sitting here in the garage. So I'm gonna give it 1 more coat before I leave and go pick up the rivet gun. But yeah. This supposedly doesn't take that long to dry, so hopefully by the time we get back, it should be done and we can just put it on. I do gotta go to Allentown today, so I'm trying to do this as quick as possible in the morning. Says dries to touch in 30 minutes. So let's go get that, and by the time we get back, hopefully we should be good. Alright, so I'm back for Harbor Freight. I bought this rivet gun. It was actually $10 in it. The head swivels and stuff like that, but nothing fancy. This is not completely dried yet, but my girl's rushing, so I gotta go ahead and finish putting this on. So I drilled out the holes on the hood already to fit this rivet. I didn't want something too big, but I didn't want something too small either. You guys can't even see it, but there you go a little bit. I'm gonna drill out the holes on this real quick, a little bit bigger, so I can slide this rivet in and put it onto the hood. Alright, so I put the plate on. I riveted on only 2, just so I can have it in place, so I can go ahead and finish drilling out the rest of the holes real quick, and then just start putting rivets in until it's completely flush. It does look pretty good black on the car. Gives it a little nice little extra touch to it. But we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Alright, now that that's all done, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting rivets on. Oh, that just fell on my car. Oh, that was great. Alright, so it's all riveted on. Some of them I'm gonna have to like sand down a little bit to get them down all the way down to the finish. But it's done. I like it. Looks way better than it did before with the ugly ass black spots that it had. But I'm gonna blow it off with some air, wipe it down, and I'll show you guys it. It's completely done. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it off for this vlog. You guys seen the valve cover, how it came out. You guys seen the template, and pretty much everything is good. It looks good. You can tell the valve cover. Valve cover does give a little accent to the car. And then with this plate on top, it actually makes it look a lot better. So I'm gonna finish wrapping up this video here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.